hello to all my friends out there. So I want to have a little party, but I want to eat all the food in my house as well. I don't want to spend money on my party. I want to be cheap. I don't want to be cheap, but you know, it just happens. Okay, so I have some decaf Coke. One of the best ways, you know, like when you're quitting some habit, is when you first start quitting it, quit it when it's not going to bother you. Like after about 5 o'clock at night, it's not bothering me drinking this caffeine-free Coke, not one single bit. But I've been weaning myself off of it for a while. Okay, so this I remembered was my ginger tea. So I just put a little, I had it left over and I put a little ginger, sugar, and lemon. Let me taste this. Okay, that is good. You gotta try that. Okay, so I made a little deli plate, my own. And I took my salamis and I wrapped some cheese around them. And then I had some marinated mushrooms, some sweet pickles, and some ham from Dollar Tree. And then I had some green olives from Dollar Tree. And then I had some cottage cheese. You know, if you don't have that much money, Aldi's has the big containers of cottage cheese on sale. And I had these cookies from, these crackers from the... For my birthday, I got a big assortment of crackers and stuff. So these kind of crackers are very, very yummy with hummus and cottage cheese. Let me taste this. Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, 99-cent only, 99-cent only. These came out of the party box. These are the good crackers. Really, really yummy. I think they were 99-cent only or Dollar Tree. Okay, I made bread bowls and I saved my breadcrumbs and I will eat them. I can drop them in the soup or else I can just eat them. 99-cent only. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree and 99-cent only. Okay, so now, Dollar Tree. So remember my story of I would do the swap meet and I would buy $30 at Dollar Tree? 99-cent only, $30 worth of food. Here's the super yummy crackers. These taste really good with cottage cheese too. So what we're really doing is eating up some odds and ends. So I have some chips. About a month ago I stockpiled chips. And then I have some dip. So what we'll do is we'll just, you know, eat all the little parts of food we have left. That's a good combination. So last night I made bread so I could make some, well, I planned on eating it last night and it didn't happen. So now I'm going to eat it right now. Here is my leftover sausage stew. Well, it was soup, but it cooked down and now it's like a stew. This is good. So when you combine your cheap food, you know, I have my chicken sausage in here, and you eat up all your scraps and fragments, you're going to save money. Okay, now, what did I do with that? Oh, here it is. When I moved, I had a whole set of these dishes. I don't know what happened. I have one lousy bowl. And so then I want to stockpile nuts. As soon as I get around to it, I will find the best price. These are good. Last night I just ate the whole package. You know, I was sitting around. So if anything isn't eaten, I will just wrap it up and eat it later on tonight. Okay, God bless you all.